Now I am going to tell you that how can we download UMap in our phone. First of all, click on Play Store logo. After that, go to the search bar and enter here UMap and then search it. You can see that kind of logo, and after that click on install button. It will take around more than half minute. If your net is slow, it can take 1 to 2 minutes. Wait when it is downloading. After that it will install. And then open it. It will take some time, and after that you can see that kind of interface. There will be three options: join a meeting, sign up and sign in. Then click on sign up, and after that click month, day and year. For example, my date of birth is 26 March 1996. Then I will click 26 here, date, and after that I will select my month and then year. When you will be select all that, after that click on set button. Now there will be three options. On first, enter your email address and then enter your first name. After that enter your last name. When you will be fill that all, after that click on sign up, and after that you will be see that kind of interface. They are saying that we sent an email to verify your account, and then minimize that page. Go to your mail, then open the mail which you had given. Refresh the page. You will see that the Zoom had sent a mail to us. Open that mail, and in this mail you will see the activate account logo. Then click on this, and after that you can select any browser, no matter which you are using. And when the page will be open, there will be three options: yes or no. Then click on no button and continue. And after that your name, it has take your name from your mail, and it's your work for select the password. Your password should be 8 letter and have at least one letter of small abc, and have at least one number of 1 to 10, and include both uppercase and lowercase character. Don't be confused. You can set a password like my name is Nitish. I will select N bigger alphabet, and after that all small alphabet, and after 1 2 3 you can set your name as a password, and after that 1 2 3 you can enter. Like my name is Nitish, I am entering N big letter, ITISH lower letter, and after that 1 2 3. So after that click on continue, and you can skip that page. You will see the option at last, skip this step. Now click on go to my account. Now all set, your account has created. Now your work is only that: go back, close this page, go back to your UMap, Now click on sign in and enter the email address which you had given for creating the account, and at last the password. My password is the bigger alphabet of my name N, and the other was lower, and 1 2 3. After that, sign in. And you can cancel it, or you can set your fingerprint as a lock. Now the old set your account has created, and this is the way how to create your account. The only important thing is that when you are creating the password, so create the password with upper and lower alphabet and enter 1 2 3 at a last, or you can enter anything. So that is the way you can create your account. Thank you.